Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready. Now start Android Studio and create a new project. Choose Empty Activity and set the minimum SDK to your target. Once done, let the IDE download missing SDK components. This ensures Gradle can build. You should also enable virtualization in BIOS and install Intel Haxum or the platform hypervisor for speed. These first steps matter because they ensure a reproducible build environment and prevent long waits when running emulators. Next, configure your project build and debugging workflow. Open Module Build. Gradle, set the Compile SDK and add required dependencies, then sync Gradle so the IDE resolves libraries. Once synced, build the app and run on an AVD or a plugged device. Use Logcat to inspect runtime logs and set breakpoints to step through code. If a dependency fails, make small changes and resync. This iterative process pinpoints issues faster and keeps your project stable. To finish, prepare a release build. Enable R8 minification and create a signed APK or AAB. This reduces size and protects code. Then test on multiple API levels and screen sizes via AVD snapshots to catch layout issues early. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip is to clear the Gradle cache and use invalidate caches /restart in Android Studio. This resolves many mysterious build or sync errors by forcing a clean rebuild and reindexing of project files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.